Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is our question. We have June 2022, 43 variant, and question number 3. Okay. And what a question we have, he said, given us, we can say, distance time graph. You can see clearly. All right. And if you read carefully, start from rest, very clear. And PQR given, you can points are given here. And time is 5, 10, 15 mentioned clearly. And distance is mentioned clearly. So distance O to P, he given this a 50 meters. Okay, students, and these are 150 given by him. All right, very clearly mentioned. So coordinates of this point, if I want to know this point 5 comma, what is this one? 50. So 5 comma 50. And same way what he mentioned here 10, and what is this? 150. So I'm writing here 10 comma 150. Okay, next I think we can, no need, okay, that much. Come back. He's asking find the speed of particle when 5 to 10. So it means from these 2 points, we have to find the speed. Very interesting part. Look at here. This is a curve. The variation is there. Variation. Okay. And this is also curve. You can see the variation. But this is not a curve. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. Okay. Very interesting part. Straight, you know it very well. If the curve is there, every point, this is a different gradient. Here we have a different gradient. Here we have a different gradient. All gradients are different from each other. But when we have a straight line, it has the same gradient. For example, if I find 5 at a 5 gradient, this is a 6, 5 here, here 7. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because you 5 to 10, all points have the same gradient. So let's start. So gradient is, we have a formula very clear, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we'll give us speed because looking for speed, and the rule is what? When a distance time graph is given, so it will give us speed. So speed is equals to what, students? So I'm finding 150 minus 50 divided by 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. So here I got 100, here I got a 5, and I got a 20 meter per second. So speed, I got it. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Okay, clear. So next part is what is asking acceleration of the particle from 0 to 5. Okay, and given that is a constant. Actually, I want to tell you one thing. Very interesting part. Concentrate. Okay, so at 0, I'm just showing you. Okay, wait a minute. Better to make it at here, and we can understand. So here I'm showing 5. Here I'm showing 10. Okay, so just sake of understanding. Okay, this is not a compulsory do it, and this I take it 15. Sorry, 15. So, so for your knowledge, what is the speed at 5? Speed at 5, I got 20. So this is a 20. It means, let's say this is a 20. So at 5, I speed is 20. Very clear. At 10, what is the speed? Again 20. Again 20. So it means at 10 speed 20. So it means I got a straight line. Okay, it is very, very clear. And look at here. At 5, speed is 20. At 6, speed is 20. At 7, speed is 20. 8, speed is 20. So that is why it's called, we can say, a constant speed. Very, very clear. So that is why you can see, students, and that is why 5 to 10, the gradient of the line is same. And that shows that it is a straight line. And now, what is this one now? For your knowledge, this will be a different kind of line, and there's a here. And from this, what is this curve representing? We have this thing. Now you're surprised to know, sir, how, and this is called speed time graph. Okay, speed time. Speed time graph or velocity time graph. If you can mention, no problem. Okay. Now question come in your mind, sir, why you made this kind of thing? Hold on. Logic is very clear. At this point, we have a different gradient. At this point, we have different gradient. Here we have different. Here different. So you can say that speed is gradually changing from 0 to 5, and that is why I can show you here even. So look at what speed at this is here. Speed is increasing, speed changing, speed changing, speed changing, and that is why it means whenever we have this kind of curve comes, students, so we always make straight line like that. And when we have a straight line comes here, this is a parallel to x-axis, and when we have this kind of bend will come, so we have this kind of line. Make sure. Okay, if you want to know, once again, suppose, so I have for example, again, this kind of curve, and then straight line, and then this kind of curve. So how we can make this kind of speed time graph? So straight line for this part, and for this part parallel to x-axis, and for this part is coming this way. So I believe all of you understanding what is the story here. And what he's asking now, he's asking find the acceleration. So you know it very well. Is it nothing hard? So I'll find a gradient. And what is gradient? Here 0, 0. And at what is 0.5 and 20? So 5, 20. And whenever we have a speed time given, so gradient representing acceleration. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is called a grade acceleration. And what is it? 20 minus 0 and 5 minus 0. So 20 minus 0 and 5 minus 0. So we got a 4 meter per second. We have another way also, students. V equal to u plus at. Okay, we can use this also. How come, sir? So look at here now. I can tell you, because starting here speed is 0. So starting speed is 0. Okay, at this moment speed is, we just got it 20. So at 5 speed is 20. Acceleration unknown and time is 5. And alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, this is way number 2, and we got same answer. Actually, my plan was to teach you how speed time graph and distance time graph are connected with each other. Even you saw alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Last part, average speed.
Sir,
How to
could you
yes,
re-explain the second
I explain
part,
again.
please?
Wait, inshallah, explain again. Average speed
Okay.
formula is total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. So listen to me carefully. So let's find total distance. For your knowledge, this distance is traveled how much distance? 200 meters. I repeat, this curve motion is going away. So it's still going, is speeding up. Okay. And what is the distance traveled? 200. And while this is called going away, and this is called coming back, because in distance time graph I talk about. So this is going away and this is coming back. So going away, how much distance? 200, and coming back also 200. Okay, first going this way and coming back. So 2 plus 200, 400, and I can write it here, 400. 200 plus 200, and total time is what? Very clear in diagram, 20. So I can write here 20. So 400 by 20 cancel. I got 20 meter per second is average speed. I got it of whole journey.